Tulani Ntuli. Thank you. Simanda Chabala. Tulani Nazibu.
Illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to talk about the controversy again surrounding MKP political party, Duduzile's Zuma Sumbula, and the 17 South Africans that are still locked up, caught, or stranded in Russia with the pretense of them going to be trained as bodyguards. Fellow South Africans, please try to listen to the video until to the end so that you can be able to hear exactly what is the burning issue about this matter. At a later stage, the MKP political party decided to hold a media conference to address the issue of the 17 South Africans that are aligned to MK political party. And what we want to establish is whether MK political party have decided to act in this fashion of behind the scenes forcing Duduzile Zuma Sambudla to resign as a member of parliament for the political party as a ploy to avoid being facing a political demeanor or bad name as a result of a very controversial situation with the 17 South Africans that are stuck in Russia. We have established when we search around, find in a fact-finding mission that it is not only South Africa or South Africans that are found to be stranded, mostly some of them getting called as the prisoners of war in Ukraine, because Ukraine itself have found it necessary to advise those foreigners that came to fight on behalf of Russia to go and give themselves over, be caught as the prisoners of war, and be dealt in a fashion under which they can be brought back to their African countries. So it means this matter of young people being sent to Russia in a false pretense of different nature is actually spread all over, not only in South Africa. There is also some that are from Kenya, and others claim they are from Somalia, others claims are from Egypt, others claim they are from Botswana, etc., etc. It seems like it's a big project. I am of the view that it is possible that Russia have already started to recruit other nationals to come and help it to fight Ukraine. But in a several people that were interviewed, many of them have refused to come out open and clear into exactly how and why are they in Russia. None of them have admitted directly that they come as the army recruits to come and help Russia to fight. Some of them, they claim they came because they were coming to study the business. They always give different reasons. None of them come up and say, I came directly as a recruit to come and help Russia to fight. Just like as it is the pretense with the ones that are claimed to be sent by Dudu Zuma Sambudla as the trainees, as the bodyguards of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Now we found Umkhonto Wesizwe distancing itself as a political party, even though before we heard is because they were going to train as the bodyguards for Umkhonto Wesizwe political party. We don't know how far this matter will go because one of Jacob Zuma's older daughters have opened a court case against Duduzile Sambudla, and Duduzile Sambula have opened a court case against certain individuals of whom said they gave her a wrong information with the pretense of giving this young man a very lucrative offer of jobs, which I understand it will even lead to about 40,000 rands a month as a payment. And we hear the parents that are crying on the interviews, they saying they send their sons with the hope of them securing a job because they've been sitting for years without having any income, and they were hopeful that they will be able to have income and come and help their families. Is it correct? Let us see in the comment section. Is it correct that MKP political party doesn't have any role whatsoever in sending over of those 17 young South Africans to go be involved in a fight in Russia? If not, who is involved and how much did it cost either for their payment or their travel expenses into Russia? And is Russia cooperating in an attempt to even try to send them back home as they are willing to do so? Can they be able to do so against the contracts that we find that they have signed? How much is Duduzile Zuma in trouble, since we have heard there's other 4 people that were caught, including a radio personality, in an attempt to send some of them over to Russia, possibly with the very same situation or conditions under which this 17 that Duduzile Zuma Sambula is allegedly to have sent them. Let us hear what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Thank you.